Welcome. This is a review of the Pentel GraphGear 1000, which is part number PG1015, and it's made in Japan. It's 0.5 millimeters diameter lead. This is a very well made pencil. It's got a metal barrel. It's got the diameter on the top of the cap there. You pop that off and you've got the rubber, the eraser, and that's where you replace the leads. Pop that back on. You've also got here on the barrel, you can twist this to set the hardness setting, which is usually on a lot of pencils around the upper part here. But on this one, it's on the lower barrel. Yeah, so we'll pop that back to HB. Yeah, it's a very well made pencil. This knurled part is metal, but it also has rubber inserts on it, which gives you a good grip. Yeah, it's quite unusual to have those rubber inserts, but it does stop slipping. And there's the point here is quite narrow as well, which is good if you're using a template to draw through. Yeah, but very nice indeed. It's got a good strong clip, which is metal. Now this is one unusual feature. When you press the clip on this, if you watch here, let me just get that there, the lead retracts into the body. Oops. Actually, if I just pop that back a bit more, there we go. So that protects the lead tube and stops it making holes in your pockets or getting damaged. So I think that's a really good feature, and that's done just by clicking there and the mechanism inside, and you press the top to get it back out again. Just set the lead there. It writes beautifully, very nice, and yeah, feels lovely to hold, and yeah, really good in the hand. Yeah, it's approximately, let me have a look here, 15 centimeters long, so standard length. And as I say, it's very well balanced, and yeah, really nice pencil. That's the Pentel GraphGear 1000, part number PG1015, and the last number, the 5 for that part number, indicates it's a 0.5 millimeter lead. So there you go, the Pentel GraphGear 1000 0.5. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do lots more videos on these pencils. Thank you.